Hi viewers, recently I am receiving lot of queries, lot of questions. Sir, where I'll get the bonsai pots? Sir, where I can get a good quality species? Sir, wires, as well as fertilizers, tools, the soil mix. People are asking, we all know that it is available on online, but still we are searching where to buy it because on online we are not sure about the quality, we are not sure about the size and the how it looks, and it is whether it is suitable for your plant or not. The suppose you are buying a display table, whether the size is smaller or big, these all things we have a doubts. So today I am suggesting you all one thing. Friends, in India every year we'll be having lot of exhibitions happening here, so we need to go to one of the exhibitions and there will be a lot of stalls displayed and they'll be selling it there. At one point contact, you can buy whether material, fertilizers, cutters, pots, tools, whatever you want. At one place you can buy everything. Okay friends, let's not waste the time. Today we are in a very right position, right place. Let's visit all the stalls and see what is available. Let's go into the video. Friends, I think you have seen that you liked the video. You are adding value to your bonsai by using these proper tools, proper pots and good material, good stones. And today you are seeing the 45,000, 50,000 and 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs plants available in this, and the manures, everything. Whatever you need, the proper cutters and all. If anything you require, please WhatsApp me. Thank you. Have a great day. If you really like this video, please share with your friends and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. ప్లీజ్ లైక్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. అలాగే మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ అని ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. నేను ప్రతి కామెంట్కి రిప్లై ఇస్తాను.